So friends, this is my Blue Sky channels, and this is a channel my only for computer knowledge and different type knowledge only for you, and very deeply talk about control panel series. So you can see here administrative tools here. So last video components, services and event viewer complete. So you can watch component services, event viewer and my all of video part wise. So continue part wise, and today we are learn about ODBC data source 32-bit and ODBC data source 64-bit. So what is the ODBC data source and why using 32-bit and 64-bit different type ODBC data source. So first you can see here 32-bit and you can see here 64-bit. Okay, so why give a 32-bit and 64-bit? I'm already talk about 32-bit 64-bit, and these all of administrative tools create shortcuts here. So how can we create shortcuts? So click on right and right click and create a shortcut, different type of options available. So this is all of administrative tools shortcuts created by automatically by default operating systems by Microsoft. So we are talk about only not administrative tools. All of administrative tools is control panel options. All control panel options. So ODBC data source 32-bit, and I'm right click and you can see here. So ODBC data source and 64-bit why using in control panel inside, and these options available why you. So you can see here this type ODBC data source 32-bit and 64-bit. So you can see here first headline. Okay, so you can see different type available about. So what is about and discuss. So let's start. So you can see here ODBC data source administrator 32-bit and 64-bit available in administrative tools. So first administrator. What is the administrator? Administrator, I'm already talk about administrator. So administrator it very important in main user. So why using ODBC data source? ODBC data is program interface and program different type main source file installed. You install your systems. You get time ODBC data source one type of source of collection your data main very main importance and different types of software source files here. Okay, so main all of data files, how can we change, how can we add, how can we. So all of you can see here this tab very important ODBC data source 32-bit. So I'm just check, you can check here user DSN. So what is the user DSN? You can see here same to same here. Okay, 32-bit and 64-bit here. Okay, so I'm both sides comparison with knowledge. Okay, so user DSN. Why user DSN? User DSN means user how many type using different type softwares and different type main DSN only 64-bit version only can remove different type. So all of your every program, your software, your system program available in this control your software main files here. Okay, so D base files means your 64-bit. So the driver and everything user files. So this is the main operating system files and main operating system main can add your computer. So you maybe not remove without your adding. So you can see here all of systems for software files available in your computer, but you can not directly open. You open direct this tab here. Okay, .dbf different types. So I'm just talk about what is the ODBC data source 32-bit 64-bit. So OS background data source, operating system background data source, all files means process, tools, drivers, everything you work. That time you complete your work, your operating system, management services, everything. So first I'm talk about only Windows operating systems. So Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, Windows 10, everything available these type tools. These two type work OS platform 32-bit and 64-bit. So all of you can see here, every your computer not directly work with your main system file system, software file system, program file systems, services file systems, your driver files and system different all of extra database systems files. So Microsoft Access this type different type way, different type communication, different type you open your manage your computer, you manage your systems. So how can this work? These all of work background files you cannot see, but you can watch here these type tools available in these files. You can see XLS, XLSM, different type files. Why give this type? It's called extension. So extension means your know about identify your operating system. These files available for this type. This file available only this work only software in this type systems. So you can see here this is a this is a 32-bit operating system. So the driver of the user in 64-bit data source administrator configure, but you cannot remove 32-bit. So this here you can see here remove and configure different tasks. So all of permission only 64-bit here. Okay, so you can see 64-bit and 32-bit here. Okay, so very important thing about why 32-bit not remove and why not, because my main operating system I'm already talk about 64-bit my operating systems, and 32-bit not allowed remove configure. Only add, you can see here only add main files and main different files available in your computer, not need. You can see here driver Microsoft DBase, Microsoft driver, Excel, all of drivers and programming files available in your operating system. If you update your Microsoft operating systems, so I'm already update this type my operating systems, and after you can see here this type file available here. So first of company you can see here file and name of file. Okay, so I'm already about talk about why using, because you want a different type way for making a different database with access your files, access your systems. So work background inside, and some file not perfectly work, so you can change, you can remove, and you can configure, and so continue your operating system work for here. Okay, so you can see here I click on configure and DBase setup. Just example I'm showing you. So audio basic data DBase setup. This is a DBase mean database setup, and not only one work, only for lot of different types. You can see file access, settings, everything, and I click on this tab. Okay, so I'm configure here and click on configure and data source name Excel files. So Microsoft Excel's every files here. Okay, and MS Access data means Microsoft Access driver, your devices driver, your devices systems. So Microsoft device driver very important, because the all of my device work with driver, just like mouse, keyboard and anything. So without driver MS Access database, this database access your Microsoft Access driver. So you can see your graphics driver, your speaker driver, your computer speaker driver, and your computer different type devices driver. So gaming in different time MS Access database. Always configure your system already this type, not need for configure. And I'm just showing you why using tools, administrative tools, because you can add your more your database, your you can see here different type files available in your computer, and access your directly your computer, not need outside third party software not needed for third party, accessing file and drivers different types. So you can see here I'm just click add and tab temporary files and description. I can add version means excels. What is the excels? Your files, your different types. So excel 2.0, 3.0 different type available in your computer. So first you can see here, okay, I'm just 12.0. This is the latest. So click on file explorer and you can see here this is my excel's file, this tab windows here. So how can manage this tab? You can see here this tab partition look designing. So how can this manage your systems? How can identify this tab looking in this tab looking user and this tab look make this tab. So why who create because engineer already defined the different tab with code and different software by making planning and make different type available your new services, new operating system looking and configuring in settings with other different type softwares and behavior. So this is the excel versions workpiece and select workbook. What is the select workbook? You can select your work and workbook means your you work. So you can store your data, system 32-bit, Windows and Windows system 32 folders, anything folder you can add, you can store your system and the different type available workbook. You want more, you click on here and help. Okay, so configure, click again and this is a database only. So database, what is a database? Database means your DBase you can see here. So very important for DBase means different type data available in your internet and automatically configure your Facebook system. How can, because data, without data you cannot add. S system DSN. What is a system DSN? This system DSN is a main process for your operating systems and what is a platform name, drivers, anything you work. So system DSN always your source of data, store information, your connecting your ID, your data, your version of your machines and with your devices. So this is a including NT services, network technology. So NT services network means this work only for networking and different tasks. So what is a platform? What is a driver? What is a so platform means different type platform work offline, online, and only in personal internet. So this type you can select driver and which you want a database source. So different type available your data source and files. Source means your files, main files data. Okay, and you can see EA Sports, my cricket. I'm already data my custom system created. Okay, file DSN system. So friend, what is a file DSN and how using in ODBC data source and the 32-bit 64-bit. So ODBC data source in all of driver information and the driver data information with other these files and some important files of your devices. So I will continue in part 2 ODBC data source 32-bit and 64-bit and how using these systems here. So my all of video control panel part wise here, watch my part wise video, either you cannot understand. And this is video a very important for all of the people because some people not understand how can we using the control panel and what is advantage and what is the benefit for your computer. So click on subscribe button, click on bell icon and click on like button for my motivations. You want first notification, I'm upload new topic always here. So click on bell icon here. So thanks to watching my video.